Hello and welcome back. Finally, Strug-Free Cocktails has emerged. We've re-emerged from the birth, and it's season, I don't know, who re-emerges from birth? It's season 2 of Strug-Free Cocktails. I've done some traveling this year, learned some new culinary things and adventures. We're gonna make non-alcoholic drinks. We're gonna make some food. We're gonna definitely make some cocktails. And I'm just super excited to share all of this stuff with you. I've also had like a couple of 3 jobs this year, so things have been crazy. The drink that I'm going to make today, it's, New York City, the popular thing has been frosé, right? So I was thinking, I don't think I want to make frosé, but I want to make something frozen. What better than a frozen Negroni? I'm gonna push this Negroni thing on you guys until you die because I want all of you guys to like Negronis. It's super refreshing and it's not too bitter and it's really delicious. Let's just stop talking. Let's get to blending and we're gonna make a frozen Negroni! 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 Campari, strawberry infused, gin, sweet vermouth, honey water, lemon juice, strawberries, paper straws. So let's make this Negroni, the frozen Negroni. I'm gonna use a NutriBullet blender because it's easy to just make one in there. You can definitely make 2 in here. Wouldn't go further. Remember, a Negroni is an equal parts cocktail. So I'm gonna do an ounce of gin. I'm using like a London dry gin kind of style. And then I'm gonna use 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. I love this sweet vermouth. It's Contratto sweet vermouth and it's delish. And then I made a strawberry infused Campari. I infused the Campari overnight. I did about a cup of Campari with about a cup of strawberries, and it's super delish. The thing about strawberries as an ingredient, strawberries taste like strawberries if you add sugar to them. Like, you really need to kind of double echo the strawberries when you use them into a cocktail so that you don't have to just use a big chunk of sugar in there. So that's why I'm using strawberries here and then also somewhere else. Because of the sugar thing I just talked about, we're gonna use 3/4 of an ounce of sugar. And then to help brighten it up, we're gonna use a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Then I have some quartered strawberries. You're gonna use 4/4, so #math, the equivalent to 2 strawberries. Oh, they're halved. They're halved, whatever. Anyways, so now we've got all the stuff in there. We're gonna add, it's basically like, oh, this was dangerous. Last time I used this blender, things might happen. Okay, so I'm gonna do like 5 cubes of ice probably. Okay, now let's go over to the blender. Whoa! It's doing its job. Okay. Oh. I can tell when it's ready by the sound, Great directions. Ugh! Ready for the unveil. Whoa, this thing is gonna break any day. It's broken. Oh, yes, bitch. Just dripping goodness. We're gonna use a cute little strawberry garnish. Where did my knife go? Welcome to Strug-Free Cocktails. Oh, I cleaned it. This is how you make a strawberry garnish. Use this big motherfucker. You want to cut it in half. You want to keep the green part on because that helps with the aesthetic. And then you cut it down the middle. Cuteness. And then we're gonna plop this. Oh my goodness. And then we're gonna use a little cute paper straw. Paper straws are all the rage because we have to save the turtles because plastic straws are getting up turtles' noses. It's very sad. Oh my God. The reason this is so good is it's not too sweet, but it's still frozen, so you get that thing that you want when you're like, let's go to the pool party, let's hang out, let's drink, and I want a frozen drink, but I don't want to feel like death. This is it. It will probably kill you because it's very alcoholic, but you won't really die. What? If you want to be the most popular person at the party, then make this. Just multiply it by like 5 or 6. I'm not doing the math for you because clearly I'm not good at math. Oh my God, I've been waiting so long to say this. Have a Strug-Free day. Go make yourself a cocktail. Oh, woo, for some Negroni. Don't drink it too fast. All right, let's cut.